Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to make holes into Fusion 316. First open your project and go to create a new sketch. Select the plan you want to create the hole on it. Then go to this icon to create a circle or directly by clicking on C on your keyboard. Choose the circle center and select the diameter. For example, we're gonna set 10 millimeters. After that, we're gonna click on Finish Sketch, then click on this icon to extrude. Select the circle, then click -3 millimeters. So we're gonna do a cut on this plane that have 3 millimeter of thickness. As you can see, we have successfully done our hole into Fusion 316. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.